Hi all, let's have a new chapter. Let them choose and let them free. From the month of 6, a caretaker usually understands the baby's likes and dislikes. Food, clothes, routine, sleep timings all comes into control. There are some exceptions too. However, a baby undergoes rapid growth in the first 2 years, and so this routine is dynamic. What they dislike in the earlier months will be welcomed in some later stage. Children tend to prefer a specific colored toy, dress, football, etc. If possible, try to be in their line. Let them free. Don't try to fit them in your mindset. They are not in an age to understand what is good and bad. So our duty is to keep them safe, not to bring them up to our mark. Let them take part in their own life. Children learn basically by observing elders and imitating them. What they observe is our expectation. We need to be very careful about what gets embedded in their blank slate. Instead of telling about life values, let them observe you. When they find you doing something more than once, automatically their motor neurons comes into action and they imbibe it. At a later stage, they will reciprocate your action. Your habits, manners, faith, taste, etc. gets into your child's mind. And this is the active part of learning. Without their attention, you can bring them into learning new things in their day-to-day life. Let's see some of the day-to-day activities that can be beneficial for our child's mental as well as physical growth. Keep their things in place not when they are asleep or away, but when they are around you. When you keep their toys in place, count it audible enough for the baby to understand. They'll pick their numbers at a faster rate. With regard to colored toys, say the color loudly. During playtime, you can include it in your conversation too. For example, if you want a red colored car, point out your finger towards the object and say, "Please take me that red colored car." This will help them not only to learn the color but also in eye-hand coordination as well as focus and attention. When throwing a waste paper, don't do it alone. Call them and say, "Let's throw this in the dustbin." Here, you teach the lesson of cleanliness as well as help them know where the waste should go with just a simple trick. When you are doing your laundry, let them help you. Be it a little time consuming, but what they explore and learn from you cannot be recreated by anyone else. They get a chance to grab things. Keeping it in place is not easy for tiny tots. What is easy for us was once learned like this. When in the kitchen, let them have their Play-Doh cooking while you prepare your food. Ensure their safety from fire and cutlery too. When taking a bath, let them foam the soap on their own. They have to get introduced to their body parts and their peculiarities. Bring it in your conversation. Let's move from head to shoulders, hands, etc. They'll get to know their names clear. Even the rhyme says head, shoulder, knees and toes. You can use it too. When we use the clock, make sure you tell the hour of the time clear to the child. They won't know to use the clock, but definitely they'll learn its function. If possible, let them socialize with their peers. Let them out of their comfort zone. Enjoy the boundless possibilities of lawns and parks. Never estimate a child's ability. Provide all possible kind of activities for them. Sometimes a hidden passion in you might come into forefront with proper guidance. But this doesn't mean to have your dreams come true in the baby's future. Let them create their own. Let's wait to discover what they are up to.